Alright, y'all. Jam on 456, jack of all, master of none. Hit it with some rust stuff. What we call that, Rust-Oleum, eat the rust. It's getting there. I just wanted to hit it. What's up, y'all? Master of nothing. Just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. All right, as you see, I got it up on all 4 jack stands now. So basically, don't look that bad. I mean, so I got to power wash underneath, repaint all of that stuff, change the shocks, change the springs. Got to drop the gas tank, clean all this up. Try and convert over to disc brakes, remove these drums. So these are the 15-inch eye rocks that I have right now. So I'm gonna send these out to get redone. I was gonna originally do them like the 18s that I'm gonna get, which is basically gonna be the machined with the black. But these are originally gray, which is actually pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna have them repainted gray to this gray. It should look all right. So basically I'll have 2 sets of wheels. Here goes the gray code of the car. That's basically the Chevy Cyber Gray or something like that. All right, so it's getting there, guys. I don't know how it's gonna look, but like I said, I'll have a set of 15s, and then I'll have a set of 18s. And the 15s will have the gray, the 18s will have the black. Now, I'm debating. You guys can let me know what you think in terms of the 18-inch black. I was gonna paint where the machine, because I don't want any chrome on the car or any machine or any silver. So I was gonna paint the machine the color of the car, which is the gray. So the 18s will be gray and black, and the 15s will be machined in gray. So just in case, if I sell it to an old head or something like that, they might not like the 18s, but they're gonna get them and they're gonna pay for them. So they'll have 2 sets, or I'll have 2 sets, or whoever have 2 sets. And it's getting there. It's getting there. Jam on 456, jack of all, master of none, bong.